Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to sign out of Steam on all devices, and now let's dive right in. Now to sign out of all devices on Steam, first open up your Steam app and log into your account like this guys. Now after logging into your Steam app on your computer, in order to sign out of all devices on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your username with a drop down arrow button available for us at the top right corner of the screen where my mouse is hovering. Click on your account name over here guys, and over here you can see when this menu appears there is the account details option available for us just below the view my profile. Click on account details over here and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the option, it says authorized devices over here at the left side of this panel. Click on the authorized devices option over here, and you can see guys where it says here is the option where it says, and on this interface guys, after landing over here it says sign out of all devices. In order to proceed to sign out of Steam on all devices, click on the remove all credentials, and here it says deauthorize all devices, and it also says this will log you out of Steam everywhere, including this session. You will need to reauthorize each device, computer and browser you wish to use. So with that being said guys, click on the proceed button over here and then you will log out of Steam on all devices. And guys, this is how to log out of Steam on all devices, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.